how I run almost 100k. Oh, sorry. It's not an 100k. It's a 10k. It was something I was dreaming from the last. I think 5 months, 6 months. I couldn't master that skill like continuously running for 10k. So it is one of my goal, and it has been completed. Okay, how was my journey from running 1 kilometer to running 10 kilometer at one stretch? Okay, I used to suffer a lot, and I used to get lot of breathing issues when I was running. And what all I have been observed throughout this journey, I will be sharing in this video, and it is going to be very interesting. If you are watching this video without hitting that red button over there, that is like it says like subscribe, and there are some bells, so please do it. So you will get to know what I'm here and what I'm doing, and also there will be a lot of health updates upcoming videos, and I will be doing more interesting stuff. So please don't feel anything and just hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Yes, this journey of running from 1k to running to 10k has been which I was doing. I was just running initial days. I have just motivated, and okay, we need to do something for our cardio respiratory endurance. So that's why I started my cardio, and I used to run, I used to jog, I used to follow the fartlek method. So what is that? Fartlek method is very simple, which says that you sprint for particular time, like 10 seconds, 10 seconds sprint, 10 to 15 seconds. You will go as hard as possible, you run as fast as possible, so you'll get fatigue, and you'll just walk for next 5 minutes, and again trigger it. Okay, again pump it, and again you go. And that is something which I was following, like sprinting for some time, and walking for some time, and jogging for some time, again sprinting. So this cycle repeats on. That is called as an fartlek method. So I was following that, but I have decided, okay, let me set a personal milestone, and I can go upon that. Okay, I said that, okay, let's start, and I started running just 1 kilometer, and I took 2 days off, and again I ran 2 kilometers in the next day, and I took off, and again 3 kilometers on third day. Like that I was used to run when I was in the job. I kept my Sundays for run, like 3ks or 5k run on my Sunday. So which has been a huge impact in my mind, and also I was doing very well. But when my ideas shifted more, and I have been done more, like I have almost there 7 kilometers. I tried 5 kilometers, and I tried 6 kilometers, then I jumped into 7 kilometers. And yesterday, and that is on Sunday, again on Sunday I fixed to run 8 kilometers. But my mindset, again, if you fix this mindset, everything is simply easy followable, so we can follow whatever our mind says. So I fixed my mindset. When I started my run, I thought I am running just 8 kilometers today, and I'm gonna stop it. Okay, that's my only idea what I had. Okay, I'm gonna run 8 kilometers, and then I'll stop it. This is what I have been planned. But remember what happened is, I was running, I was went to 3 kilometers and 4 kilometers, and I just thought only one thought in my mind. I told to myself, Akshay, you are going to wait another two runs. Okay, hardly I run for almost, I'll in and out, I'll take a 3 days gap, and I'll go for another 1 kilometer extra what I was used to run in the previous week. So I thought for myself, okay, would I want to take some break, or else let me hit my target today itself? What happens, let me do that. So that was my mindset. And what I did is, okay, let's try. However, my ideal pace per kilometer was around 6 minutes or 5 minutes. It is on and off, falling before there and here, and that is what I used to do. Okay, so that what I have been planned, and I have been doing. That is what completely my mind is fixed to. But still, on one day, on that day. Yes, that is what I was doing. I was going completely off the topic, but still what happened, I fixed my mind and I kept on running. I kept on running. And that's the great thing, guys. Once you fix your mind, and it will drive you. Just fix it, fix the target, and just keep on moving. And slightly after finishing 6K, I thought, so I can't do it even further. Even 1 kilometer I can't do it. I thought, that mindset came into my mind, and that hit it very badly. Okay, so again my mind completely is not allowing me to do that, and I didn't stop my legs. I just kept on running, kept on running. I didn't stop even at the one place for next till completing 10 kilometers. So that was my commitment, and I just was running, keep on doing that, hitting the targets, and just kept on running again and again. So this is what I did it. And that moment when I figured it out, okay, so okay, there is no go, I'm going to finish this run whatever it takes. And I switch off my headphones what I have been wearing, and I switched off that. And I completely kept my mind, I'm not seeing my phone how much kilometer it is going to be. And I just fixed that target, and I kept on running. And I felt lot of dizziness. And again I took my phone and I saw that, oh my god, almost 8 kilometer plus I did it, and more 2 kilometers to go. So that's the journey. And again I visualized something good is happening to me, and I was just visualizing, I'm what I have been dreamt of, that is coming my way. And I just kept on running again. So it has been very superb journey. Now I become a fan of running, and I really, I will go again, and I'll complete another 10K today, or I'll go for a short 5K recovery run, like that. So it is going to be happen. Okay, so this is what I learned. And just guys, don't wait for your success, just let's start now. Okay, just start now, and keep on grinding, keep on putting the efforts, and keep on hustling. So that's the only way you can reach to your goals. And this video, how you can run for 10K, I have answered the easy way. First start with 1K, and just go for next day, or take a 2 to 3 days gap. 2 days gap is enough, and just try 2K. And again go for 3K, 4K, 5K, periodically ramp it up. Okay, don't stay in one place, and just little bit you can ramp it up. So it will be very useful when you do that stuff. Okay, I hope this video helps you in your cardiovascular endurance. And when you are I will be a little bit of inspiration to you to start your running. And if I did that, please comment below and let me know how you are feeling. And I will be back with another important video. Until then, see you, bye, take care.